Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a new Facebook account. So first, let's head over to create new account. Simply fill out all the necessary information. And just a reminder in the birthday section that Facebook is strict when it comes to age. So make sure that you're 18 years old and above when you sign up to Facebook. Then after filling out the necessary information, just press on sign up. Next is Facebook is going to ask you for a code to the email that you entered. Once this window showed up to your page, just press OK. Now from here, Facebook might suspend your account just for privacy purposes. You just have to simply click on appeal, then just go through this puzzle. Now, Facebook may also ask to confirm your identity with a video selfie. Just press continue and go through it. Now, you just have to wait for at least 48 hours for Facebook to completely confirm your identity. Just press on finish and you will see that you have already submitted an appeal, and after Facebook have completely confirmed your identity, you should be able to log into your account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can easily create a Facebook account. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!